Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is in a different direction today. We're going to be talking about consistency, and I always seem to have a conversation either with my husband or my friends about being inconsistent. And I know there are a lot of people that's like me, who works full time, who also has to come home and, work with your family and your kids. And it gets hard out here when you want to be consistent, but how do you stay consistent? So we're going to start by talking about what is consistency, and then we're going to figure out how we can go back to being consistent in our work and our passion. This is the moment when my phone started dying and I didn't realize my mic cut off. But setbacks happens, and staying consistent means pushing through anyway. So let's keep going. Have you ever started something, felt super motivated, and then just stopped? You're not alone. The difference between success and struggle often comes down to one thing, and that's consistency. What is consistency, and how do we go about maintaining that? What is consistency? Consistency is showing up and putting in the effort regularly, even when you don't feel like it. It's like working out. You won't see results after one gym session, but if you keep going, the progress adds up. The same applies to your business, your mindset, and any goal you set. Hey beauties. So I'm just sitting in my car because I'm going to piggyback off my other video that shut off. I didn't realize I was recording, but the audio was off. And I learned now to make sure that my phone battery is not dying before I start recording, because look what just happened to me. So I lost I don't even remember everything I was saying in my other video. But anyway, I'm just waiting in my car. I'm waiting for my daughter. But I want to talk today about consistency and what does it mean to you. I want to talk to the people that's like myself, that's been struggling with being consistent and trying to figure out a balance. Life be lifing sometimes, and we all go through these changes to where, let me talk about myself, because I honestly can't speak for nobody else, but I go through these phases where I'm sitting here, I'm not passionate like how I was when I first started crafting. This is something that we all need to achieve success and anything that we do. So how can we be more consistent in anything that we want to do? How can we be more focused on achieving our goals, making it happen? How can we become that person that's going to want to go hard, full throttle? Because I'm such a go-getter girl, but there's time where I'm just like, I'm drained, I'm tired. And I'm a mom, my wife, I'm an educator as well. And it's a lot. When you get home, you're tired. And when I first started this crafting business, I didn't even feel as tired as I am now. Let me just say that. And I feel like my passion is there, but it's not there like how it was in the beginning. So I do want to get myself back into pushing myself harder, because I know I can do better than what I am. And of course, it's not easy, but I feel like there are things that I can do to make it better for me by creating a schedule. Like there are days where I do record, and guess what I do with them? They just sit in my phone. I don't even share it to the world. And I have so many videos from 2-3 years ago that I probably will post here on YouTube. I know they old, but it is what it is. It's content, and I want to get it out there. It's something that people can learn from as well. So if I can help you, I love to share it. I don't mind. When you're consistent, people know that they can rely on you, whether it's your customers, your audience, or even yourself. The more you show up, the easier it becomes. And I feel it all starts with setting achievable goals and managing your goals better. So your bigger goals you can put into smaller goals. I feel when you want something so bad, you're going to go harder and harder. And yes, I do need to treat this business like it's a 9-to-5. I really do, because I'm really not. And I need to, if I know I really want something so bad, I need to. I got so many things that I handle in a day. It's just it's not enough time. And when you find that time, it's like you're all over the place. So what I do need to do is have a schedule. I need to have a calendar. I need to do days where I do my content, where I record videos. And then I need to have days where I'm just going to edit the video. So that way I can at least push out one video once a week. That's my goal, to try to do one video once a week. Because I do want to build a community on Instagram, on YouTube. But I know right now it's not, let me not say it's not feasible, but I need to put in the work. I just got to put in the work. And once I put in the work, I know, boom, my time is going to come. And it's always on God's timing as well. I don't rush things. When it happens, it happens. But I do love to give out more than what I'm not giving. And it's not me. I've always been a go-getter. So, yeah. And let's be real. Life gets busy. Life be lifing. You know, shit happens. So, at the end of the day, we still got to do what we got to do if we want something very bad. And I know for me, I'm going to get to where I want to be. It's just, you know, you just got to push yourself. You got to get there. My hair looking crazy right now. But, and also I believe in finding people who are in the same niche, or people who, how can I say it? Finding accountability partners, or someone, or like-minded people that has the same interest as you, because I feel that also can help. And I do want to collaborate with people this year. I do want to build a team this year. I do want to do other things that's out of the norm for me, to where I can branch off and learn from others as well. Because there are a lot of people out here that do inspire me. And I wanna really just take this really far. But I do need to find the time and dedication to this. And everyone, you don't have to be perfect. You just have to keep going. Drop a comment below and let me know what's one thing you can commit to doing consistently starting today. For me, it's focusing on growing my business and building my YouTube channel. And remember, always keep consistency close by. See you in the next video. Stay blessed.